Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help How to Study for Semester Pharmacy Full Guide. Start by mapping your semester calendar and blocking study times around fixed commitments like labs. Break topics into weekly modules and assign focused review days. Use spaced active recall and question banks daily, and rotate subjects to avoid burnout. Balance study with short breaks, sleep, and light exercise to keep focus and retention high throughout the semester. Create a daily routine with focused blocks for reading, problem practice, and quick review. Start each session by recapping yesterday's key points for 15 minutes to reinforce memory. Alternate subjects to keep sessions fresh and use the Pomodoro method for concentration. End your day by teaching one topic out loud or summarizing notes to find weak spots. Small, consistent habits beat last-minute cramming for pharmacy exams. Lean on high-quality resources like targeted question banks and concise review books to build exam readiness. Simulate timed practice exams to train pace and reduce test anxiety. Form study groups that solve clinical cases and explain mechanisms allowed to deepen understanding. Create one-page summary sheets with key dosages, mechanisms, and equations for quick pre-exam review. Regularly revisit weak topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.